Alright, YouTube. Yes, it's time for another lawn cutting video. This will be the 6th one. And in this video, we're actually going to try and feature both pieces of equipment. We're going to feature the zero turn. And we'll be featuring the Works straight shaft, which is right over here, right down below me. Kind of looks like a long bagpipe practice chanter. There it is. It actually kind of looks like a gas-powered one because it's got the... It does have the model of a gas-powered engine. And it also has the trimmer blade, which is down here. All the weed eater stuff right here that you'd expect on a weed eater. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and set the weed eater back on the hat sitting over here. Yeah, this is about as heavy as a gas-powered weed eater. Alright, there we go. I'm going to set this right near the picnic table, so when it does come time for me to use the weed eater, it'll be there. And there we go. Now you can see what it looks like on the bench right there. You can see the shaft, the trimmer head, the engine, which is where the batteries are housed. And hopefully my dad should be coming around here with the zero turn pretty soon. Yes, I know. It's going to be awesome. My dad should be coming around with the zero turn pretty soon, so that's going to be awesome. I'm just going to show you all, walk around, show you all what we're going to have to cut. We actually got 2 window units right there. Got one right here. And hopefully I'll try and make one of my first air conditioning videos. I'm going to try and fix the bent fins on an AC unit. So I'm going to try and do that for y'all. In fact, I will show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. So if we just come over this way, I can get around here. Oh yeah, I can easily get up here. Hold on, you know what? Let me go around this way, and I will show y'all exactly what I'm talking about when I say bent fins. So we got one of the black ones hooked up, and I will actually show y'all what I'm talking about. So we actually just got a window unit. No unboxing for these window units, but actually some of the fins do seem to be okay. We could actually, oh yeah, I do see right up there, yep, bent fins. Definitely need a little bit of work on those. Got some of those fins that are a little bent over. Try and fix those up. If we can get a fin tool, I'll try and work on those when I come back down. Hopefully I can get myself a little fin comb to work on those, and I'll try and make a video of that for y'all, of me trying to fix up an air conditioner with the fins. I've watched so many videos of people using air conditioner fin combs and working on air conditioners. So I'll try and get it, even though I don't really do videos of air conditioners, I can at least put one on here. Y'all can call me a jack of all trades if y'all want. That is a real thing, a jack of all trades. So there we go. The fins on that air conditioner seem to be doing good. And we're just waiting for him to come around with the zero turn, because he's supposed to be coming up here any moment. Some of this grass that needs to be mowed right there. Got a weed eater around here. There's the Works sitting right there. The sky is a nice cyan. And there's no sign of the zero turn just yet. And the batteries on the weed eater are charging. We actually do have a window unit installed there, which I don't know if it's got any problems with the fins on it, because again, if I'm able to at least get the fins straightened out on the unit that's around back, that'll be good, because at least it's low enough where I can reach it. He should be coming around the zero turn pretty soon. I'll have to figure out how to pause videos on this phone, because I'm so used to doing it on my other one. We've got some stuff down here that probably needs weed eated. Definitely around this side right here. I don't have my bagpipes with me, but we've presented many of the lawn cutting videos. But I definitely, if I do start trimming up the fins on the AC units, I'll try and present those with the bagpipes before I start actually doing it. We've got some around here that probably needs done. Probably take the lawnmower to this part right here. Or the weed eater, depending on how close it is. He should be coming down soon. I don't hear the zero turn. He said he should be coming down pretty soon. Go over by the weed eater. Right here's the weed eater. We're gonna have a northern leisure time with this thing when it's charged up. That's a memory for you guys. Back when I was filming rides, not just like roller coasters and stuff. Back when I was filming the coin-operated rides, I decided to make that reference. I mean, it's got the when I do comparisons to Northern Leisure and all, like R.G. Mitchell and all that stuff. It's got the, this definitely looks like gas powered. It's got the same style. Trigger. Oh, here's something interesting. This one, instead of having a safety switch, it's got a little button on there, so it's kind of like a start button. So there we go. Press it in, turn it on and off. This would be your gas-powered engine. This would be gas engine. Your handle grip shaft with the handle on it that you hold, and the rest of the shaft coming down to the trimmer head. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up, and I'm going to go ahead and extend some of this weed eater string out. That way we got enough. This does not have a bump head like most weed eaters have. This has a trimmer head instead of having a bump style head. Instead, this uses a trimmer head where the buttons are a trigger. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up right there. There we go. Nope, that's not gonna work. Come around here, there we go. Set y'all up like I did last time for the presenting video. Alright, there we go, yes. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and extend some of this weed eater string out. There we go. Just a little more. There we go. And the way you extend the weed eater string out on this, instead of having a bump head, it has a little button back here that you press that extends the string out. So we got enough string. The blade is going to come over here and cut the string off for us when we use it. So it'll cut right there. Actually, it spins this way, so it's going to cut. Let's see. Okay, it is going to spin this way, so it's going to cut this way. Okay. It'll cut that way. Yep. Okay. Then put the weed eater back on the bench, and I'll come back for you guys. And there you guys go. We're going to go to the shade for a little bit just to kind of cool this off a little bit. Don't want my camera getting too hot. Even though I just set it up there for that little bit just to extend the weed eater string out. Still waiting for the zero turn. Said he was slowing it up and then he was coming down this way. I guess while we're doing that, I'll update you all on the straps bay. So, I think we actually do have my practice channer somewhere, so I'll probably do some practice on the practice channer and all that stuff. It's actually a little cooler back here. Just gotta be where I can pause this video because this is definitely different than my other camera. Trying not to block the camera for you guys. Here's that window unit over there buzzing. Well, we have 3 air conditioner units. One on that side, over there. One on that side, which has some of the bent fins. At least that AC unit right there does not have any bent fins on it. At least that one right there. This one's got the we'll wait on the zero turn mower to get here. Try and look at those fins a little more. Go close up. This is the AC unit that hoping I can fix one of these. Does have some fins that are a little bent. Right up along the, I won't say on, but on the top of the actual coil unit. See right there, fins that are bent. Right up on the top right there. I don't know if there's any on the bottom. Coil. These coils do seem to be in good shape. It's just, I guess these ones up here are quite bent. Yep. There we go. Oh. And I think I hear the mower off in the distance. So it'll be coming this way, actually. So there we go. Why don't we come around this way, past the window air conditioners. We can listen out for the zero turn. So step over here. Yep, he's right over down that way. All right. We are going to have a lawn cutting video after all. I mean, zero turn is all the way down that way, but it's going to come this way. He's down over there. That's where the garden's going to be. Oh, yep, he's coming this way. Back up this way. Okay. Come around this way and y'all can see where he's coming. Yep, there he is, right down there. He is actually right over there. So there we go. He is coming this way. That is awesome. Alright, so there we go, YouTube. You could say that the lawn cutting video started, the actual lawn cutting started, I guess, in the middle of the video. Oh, and we do have another window unit, so that is awesome. And let's check the fins. Just gonna take a look. Okay, that one looks good. Scott. Oh, yep, we do have quite a few fins over here that are bent over along this side, so there we go. Step over this way. There we go. Probably gonna get some of this down with the weed eater and stuff like that. Go down this way. Okay, this definitely needs to come down. Probably need to take the weed eater to that. Yep, there it is. All right. There we go.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up?
I finally got up here.
Yep. All right, YouTube. Well, the lawn cutting video will now commence. So I'll show you all the zero turn, if I can find it. It is
Load from bridge to bridge on the sides of the road.
bridge
Got
to
around
bridge.
the mailboxes. And I'm going to mow in near the house here for a little bit before we get started on anything else.
All right. All right, YouTube. Well, there we go. Lawn cutting video can commence.
Yes.
All right.
Get by the house here.
All right. Well.
Gonna get noisy.
All right. Here we go, YouTube. Let's go ahead and step out of the way. Here we go. And here he comes with the zero turn. Oh. There we go. There's the dogs. There are the dogs. And there's the... You're good. And there's the mower. Right there. All right. Definitely got some really good cyan light azure coming from the sky right there. So there we go. And yes, we'll have the weed eater out pretty soon. The batteries are charging on the weed eater. I'll stand over here for a little bit. There he is, unmasking that part of the lawn. Move some stuff back. First time we've had to stop the lawnmower. Hopefully none of the fins are bent over on that lawnmower. Okay. Okay, he's moving back some of that brush back there. We're working in the inside. We're out here. Let's see what it wants. Well, there's probably some stuff that needs to be moved right here. Okay. All right. And now he just unmasked that area. Now he can mow it. All I have to do is take it off. Nope. And he's coming. Got the dogs right there. This part seems to be mowed pretty well, but I guess he's gonna kind of do a run over it with the mower. I'm gonna go check on the weed eater just to make sure it's not overheating and stuff. I may have to move it just because the sun is quite hot. All right. Let me go check on the weed eater. And there it is. I'm just gonna check it. Might need to move it. Oh yeah, the shaft I can see is getting, well, the shaft should be doing okay. It's metal, but oh yeah, probably need to move it. It should be okay, but I don't want the really don't want the electric parts getting too hot or overheated. Well, actually this part's doing fine. This part, because that's going to house the batteries pretty soon. You know what, tell you what, we're going to move it just in case, because I'm going to move it over here where there is a little bit more shade. A little bit more shade right over here. Probably gonna go ahead and lean it up against this wall so that way it stays cool. So that way we don't run into any trouble with the batteries when we put it in. So I'm gonna lean it up against this wall, right there. Come on, gotta stay there. All right, there you go. There we go. All right, so the weed eater is leaned up against the house. This actually looks just like the tiny house that I had, but a lot bigger. But there's the weed eater. It's leaning up against the house. I noticed it was getting hot over there, so I'm going to set it up against this house. That way it cools. Because I don't want electronic parts getting melted. This is why I do prefer gas-powered. Because gas-powered is more durable and reliable. Although some electric models are getting there. Gas-powered, in my opinion, is a bit better. Because it doesn't bend over like the fins do. At least if you're talking about the string, because the string can straighten itself out. I was trying to cover the camera, or the microphone part, because I need to speak in it. And let y'all hear both the sounds from out of both ends. I'm talking about both ends of the phone camera YouTube. Because stereo sound is really awesome. Large wide open area over there. The sun is bright. Going around the back side. There's the weed eater right there. He's way down there now. He's all the way down there. And he's coming back. Never heard a zero turn make that sound before. Seems like every time that zero turn gets used, it makes that popping sound. All right. Back up this way. Check the weed eater. Here we go. Straighten it up. Here we go. Weed eater's still doing fine. We got it leaned up against the... Oh, it's finally starting to cool off a little better. There we go. See, the grass is way tall over here. It's definitely gonna need lawn cutting treatment. Go. We got the truck right there. Start it up. Back up this way. There we go. Yep, so all this is going to need to be chopped with the weed eater. There we go. Oh, he's going down that way. He must be on the other side over there. Lawn cutting video can commence. Let's see where it got mowed over here. I guess now you can't hear the zero turn anymore. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.